thanks for tuning back into my channel and following along this EK progress. A few things have changed within the past month. Wasn't able to get the K running or finished here in Seattle, so we decided to tow the EK down to Oregon. It's now at Alessandra's and Mickey's house. Mickey will be finishing at the K, learning as I go and taking it with a grain of salt. Be getting some fab work done in Oregon and also my tune all in one area, so by the time all that's done I could just drive it up to Seattle a good 2.5 hours of testing out all the mods and making sure the motor's straight. So yeah, hopefully it's running soon, and I appreciate your guys' support and encouragement. Hopefully it's running soon. First things first, we need gas.
Yes, we do. What could have happened?
I think the Type R's bumper would be fucked.
The whole car would be fucked. Dang, we didn't strap the EK down enough. It's about to fly away.
No.
Look at the wing. That shit's fucking huge. It's got downforce. It's trying to fly away.
Gotta take flight. Can I go through the McDonald's drive-thru? Bringing Matcha Bear down to Oregon so he can hang out with his friends, Marshmallow and Toasty, and Rudy. I think he's taking a nap. Yep, he is napping. Matcha Bear.
That burned a hole in my fucking bumper. So it's just little shit.
Alvin's sidebar.
Over here hauling friends' cars, you know.
SI. Right. Olivia. Mickey's EG.
Shooting, yeah. For the stripper people, did you use the MTV stripper plate?
Kids.
Yeah.
Well, let's just say that I've had it since 2022 of October.
my finger.
I think cinnamon toast crunch.
It does. Why does it taste like cinnamon?
You'll give me one bottle? No, I give you another one, but the nozzle, bro. It's okay, I can swap nozzles, right? Is there a gas station?
Alvin's type of. Drop something. Litter bug. I'm just kidding. Sam's EG. Gently. The fit needs a car wash. Can you tell? More noodles. Loki was afraid of these mirrors. Oh, but yeah, that mirror looks red. I don't know. They don't really fold in, but I'm gonna have to see if I can turn shit. But
Apple maybe 250.
I was trying to do oil change, and I jacked up the car on the radiator.
What time is it right now?
Let's see,
You want this back in your car?
341. It's the Kirkland OEM funnel.
You
Pick and pull again. What am I missing? Water pump housing, OEM battery tray, some other trinkets.
I put it in the car before they didn't mistaken. What the fuck is happening? Like, how you gonna talk shit when you're bringing a dual tool bag? Bro, this is for Chels.
What? That shit looks heavy. Why are we all walking in with some fucking tool bags? Why do I get this dinky ass yellow one?
Don't you need this basket?
Key swap. USDM water pump housing. And then
What are you doing?
some party.
Oh.
Ruby grab. Touch master cylinder reservoir and hose and where was that housing?
Yeah.
Water pump housing.
We're really here for a fucking radiator.
It wasn't even that good. Installing some mirrors for the new Type R. Ghetto festivities. We have Alvin over here with the Demo Ducky,